Topic we discuss here is superior and inferior mesenteric arteries and common iliac arteries. So superior mesenteric, inferior mesenteric and common iliac arteries. That is the competency. Superior mesenteric artery. It arises from the abdominal aorta at the level between L1 and L2 lumbar vertebrae, 1 centimeter below the origin of celiac trunk. It supplies the second part of duodenum distal to the major duodenal papilla, third and fourth part of duodenum, a portion of the head of the pancreas, jejunum, ileum, large intestine up to junction of the right 2/3 and left 1/3 of the transverse colon. Branches. It is the artery of midgut. In the adult, the inferior pancreatic duodenal is the first branch of superior mesenteric artery. From the concave right side, the artery arise are the middle colic, right colic and ileocolic. Terminal and ileal branches of the ileocolic units with terminal end of the superior mesenteric artery. From the convex side or the left side of the artery arise 12 to 15 jejunal and ileal branches. It gives out of 5 branches: inferior pancreaticoduodenal anastomosis with the branch of the superior pancreaticoduodenal artery and supplies inferior region of the head of the pancreas, the uncinate process and the duodenum. Jejuno-ileal artery pass between the layers of the mesentery and form anastomotic arcades from which arise small and straight arteries known as vasa recta. Middle colic artery supplies the transverse colon. Right colic artery supplies the ascending colon, and ileocolic artery branches supply the ascending colon, then appendix, cecum and ileum. Inferior mesenteric artery is a major anterior branch of the abdominal aorta that supplies arterial blood to the organs of the hindgut. It is the smallest of the 3 anterior branches of the abdominal aorta. It is the third main branch of the abdominal aorta. It is responsible for supplying blood flow to the large intestine from left flexure or splenic flexure to the upper part of rectum. These include distal 1/3 of the transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid colon and most of the rectum. There are 3 major branches that arise from it. These are left colic, sigmoidal arteries, superior rectal artery. All these arterial branches further divide into arcades which then supply the colon at regular intervals. Left colon artery supplies distal 1/3 of the transverse colon and descending colon. It divides into ascending, supplies distal 1/3 of the transverse colon and upper part of descending colon. Descending branch descends inferiorly and anastomosis with superior sigmoidal artery supplies lower part of descending colon. Sigmoidal arteries typically has 2 to 4 branches, with the uppermost branch termed the superior sigmoidal artery. It supplies the descending colon and the sigmoid colon. Superior rectal artery supplies rectum, descends into the pelvis. At the S3 vertebral level, the artery divides into 2 terminal branches, one supplying each side of the rectum. Within the walls of the rectum, smaller divisions of these branches eventually communicate with the middle and inferior rectal arteries. Marginal artery of Drummond. It is formed by the union of several branches: ileocolic, right colic, middle colic of the superior mesenteric artery, and left colic and sigmoid branches of the inferior mesenteric artery. It forms a continuous arterial circle along the inner border of the colon. Straight vessels, vasa recta, arise from the artery to supply the colon. Common iliac artery, origin. The abdominal aorta bifurcates anterolateral to the left side of lumbar 4 vertebra into right and left common iliac arteries. Course, the common iliac arteries enter the pelvis on the medial aspects of psoas. Left is short, then the right. The right passes anterior to left common iliac vein and then anterior and parallel to the right common iliac vein. The left course is simpler, running parallel and lateral to the left common iliac vein. Course, it bifurcates at the point where the ureter crosses it anteriorly into its terminal branches, that is interiliac and extrailiac, at the level of the pelvic brim anterior to the sacroiliac joint. Branches of the common iliac artery include, in addition to terminal branches, it also gives branches to the surrounding tissues, peritoneum, psoas, ureter and nerves. Relations anterior at the bifurcation is the ureter. Posteriorly, the common iliac veins and the psoas. Thank you.